Welcome back to Pathshala Institute of Learning. Let's we learn 8 part of speech English learning classes part 1 video. This video we will learn noun. So child, what is noun? A noun is a name of person, place, animal or things. Anything you can see, touch, hear, feel, name can be noun. For examples, doctor, teacher, school, girl, boy, teacher, doctor. Places, for example, school, home, zoo. Animals, elephant, cat, dog. Things, bag, pencil, books. Revision time. Noun is the name of person, animal, name and things. Bag is a noun. Elephant is a noun. Home is a noun. Girl is a noun. Mango is a noun. Peacock is a noun. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe some more videos.